probably the first cold day we've had of the year. Chilly morning. It was in the low 40s this morning. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, Rockcastle, to get a dump truck. I guess he got stuck after he dumped his load at a new construction house. So we're going to see what kind of pickle he's in here and go from there. See what they're doing first, then we'll go from there. Don't take out that fire hydrant. Ooh, gotta love these small little roads. Try that on for size. Pretty view. Look at that. Go grab some photos. Oh, buried her in there. Glad I got out of that big hole. We got to drag him right back through it though. Oh, he's still in this one over here, so we got that going for us.
What do you say, Chris?
Well, you know, buddy.
Not a whole lot.
Sorry you had to come all the way.
No worries. it's standing.
Back it up over out of the way right there. I told him to move it up the hill here in case you need to
Okay.
turn or whatever.
Yeah, thank you.
How long is that drive?
What, to get here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that bad. That's,
40 minutes?
yeah, roughly. Yeah.
Well,
Which we have a location here, and we're in Oak Grove as well.
oh, do you?
Yeah, my office is in Oak Grove, so if I have nothing to do in the morning, I just go there.
Where's the one here?
On Clay Street, right by the bus garage, down the road.
Really?
You know where Cordner's Collision used to be before
Yeah.
we closed? Behind that.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yeah, we've been here since 05. This is where we started, was in Katie's. Yep.
What's the old one down there?
All of our big stuff stays here.
On here.
Steven?
Steven?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like him. He's a character.
Yep.
Boys blown away. They're right up the road.
Well, unfortunately, I pulled Chris out enough. I think we'll be out of here pretty quick.
I don't know about all that.
Look, he'll be over here tomorrow that time way.
Oh. All right. You ready?
Need me in it?
Yeah, just jump in there. We'll see if I can just pull you in neutral first.
Okay. Matt Duke, is he?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, we used to work together. I ain't seen him in a long time.
Yeah, he's been with us for, I think, a couple years now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like him there.
Him and his brother, they're good workers, man. They're good to have on a big wreck scene.
I don't know his brother.
Yeah.
I've never met him. Boy, I should have known better. Look how much.
I walked down here, I was like, come on, Chris, what are you doing?
I know. I know better now. Okay, she's in neutral.
All right, brakes released.
Yeah.
I'll stand back here so I can see everything. There's the second hole. Turn this way just a little bit, right there.
Yeah, that owner, the guy building his house, he said, I think I can pull you out in my pickup truck. I said, you can't pull me out in my
No.
pickup truck.
Well, it wasn't as bad as you've been in the past, but
No,
it was enough. I wouldn't want to mess with it with anything light.
I should have known better. Well, I was just trying to save them some work,
Yep.
having to tote it back and forth.
Sometimes being nice never wins.
Never does, man.
All right, go ahead and set your brakes. got to be able to get out from that, don't you think?
Man, I don't know.
We'll see. Yeah. I think I got you over the edge of it there.
Okay.
We should be okay.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Oh, I didn't like that anyway.
Well, these things are handy
Yeah, when they work.
when they work.
They changed the style. This is a new style,
Yeah.
and they changed it with this truck. I think was the first one we got that had it. Man, I cannot stand it. The old one was. I used to complain about the old one, but all my complaints about the old one are null and void compared to the problems I have with this. Yeah. I'm surprised it even stayed connected with me all the way down there. This thing, if I go to the passenger side of the truck, oh, right there, it just...
It loses signal.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's a horrible, horrible system. But, you know, what do you do? Not a lot I can do about it, I reckon. At least I got one, I guess. It could be worse.
Yeah, it could be a whole lot worse.
We used to have a Mack with an NRC on it that was an older truck, and it didn't have a remote for the wheel lift, and I'm trying to hook up to a truck. Of course, the wheel lift controls were like way up here in front of the axle, so you're like trying to see. Well, it's crazy. All right, I'm gonna pull forward, make sure you can get out. If not, we'll just throw a line on you and drag you up.
Okay.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This hill does not do it justice. It's a pretty violent, pretty heavy hill here. Pretty violent, heavy. That's not the words I'm looking for. Pretty steep hill. But you can't see him in that one. Maybe that mirror. He's out of there. And there you go. There's the camera. He's out of there. We're gonna get to the top of the hill and say our goodbyes. And I'm off to see what the rest of the day has in store. So, fix this house. I wasn't even paying attention. Look at that thing. Heck yeah. That's it's on a tree. I guess it's its own thing, but that's pretty cool. Down here in the bougie neighborhood of Rockcastle. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.